Hey, what's going on? So I just want to say a huge thanks to everybody that bought stuff when we launched the last vlog. The reception every time to our online store is overwhelming. Apologies, we didn't get that much stuff made with this batch. So we have another batch on the way. I guess we highly underestimated the amount of people that wanted stuff, so stuff is on the way in a couple of weeks' time. This episode, we were pretty hungover when we filmed it, so we didn't really explain what was going on. When we got the chassis legs straightened on the 86 shell, Barry found out about an abandoned 86 that was up the side of a bush. Barry came up with the ingenious idea to chop the chassis leg out of this rusty 86 and weld it into my car, just to already add to the story that is the Trueno build. It's actually rustier than my car, quite possibly the rustiest AE86 ever. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and as always, thanks very much. Like, subscribe, tell your friend, tell somebody. Bye!
We're in the Vitara again. Me and Ruben are really hungover. Yep. It's actually the Vitara Sport.
Just gotta be me. That's what
Let's
you gotta
this.
be.
What's going on here? You just have a collection of licenses.
All of you need. And then the one.
You up to no good here with this stuff, like. What's that, another one again?
I get 12, 24, 36, 48 penalty points. Then I'll have this one left over.
What the fuck? So you have the old shovel. Right, so what are we doing here?
So basically, there's like a cut of a fucking twin cam in there. It's like a bulkhead, even the dash is still on it. So we're gonna push our way through a lot of gorse and briar and fucking hack the chassis leg off a fucking the twin cam's been there for like over a decade.
So there's a Corolla in here, and I need a piece off it. So we're going in. This is classic Irish stuff right here now. Right, well I just go ballistic with a shovel and start beating the fuck out of everything.
Actually, yeah, fuck this. Someone else can fucking do it. Here.
So there's actually an AE86 in here somewhere. Lovely joint.
Up and down, up and down, up and down. It's all hooking at there, Aiden.
Oh, fuck me. They say the council do that.
We had all the tools we needed, but we just didn't bring them. We just wanted to see Aiden suffer with a shovel instead. Look at these, wait. Look at these horrible things. Hang on. Now, you're free. Nope. Why did I do that? He's on you again. You actually need to kill him or something. He's going to grab even more, which he has. Now you're, we're all here.
I remember when I parked it here.
You see one?
Oh, it's there.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Holy shit, there's... Man, what the fuck, like?
Take our handy.
This is... Yeah, snap her down. Looks like she's not rooted into much. Holy shit, this is it!
Yeah.
It's all here somewhere. Under here is more car.
Oh, we're actually...
Oh, the dash. Look, it's
Holy shit, man. What the fuck, man? So this is an 889 bluish.
This is an original Irish car. This is sold. This was like sold in Ireland. This isn't like imported in the UK.
Yeah.
Great to put it there, right?
Can't believe this. So this is actually an A86, an Irish one, hiding here. A92 in there.
Look, Neil, check this out.
Oh my god.
The sticker is what was holding it together.
Oh my god. There's an 8.6 door here. Twin cam 16 valve. The Toyota Touch. Holy fuck, lads.
There's a tree. Rotten the front
Oh
end is.
man, this is bananas like.
Jesus, there's only 85,000 on it.
Completely rotted away.
Nothing.
Look at it, it's in miles per hour, 85,000. And this is all that's left of it. I thought my car was rusty. This is fucking... Imagine finding something like this and trying to take it on. Whoa, we're actually standing on the rest of this 8.6.
Look how rotten it is.
Look at that. Here is the floor.
It's completely gone back.
There's the chassis leg here. Wow, this is insane.
They didn't even strip it, they just lit it.
Yeah, we just hacked it up. It didn't rob somehow. I brought the generator and the saw. We're down a lane here. It's overgrown. Ruben is having the time of his life today. Yeah. Hubs are still good. Oh, they're so smooth. They all rot like this, don't they? There's the seat belt. The floor of this lane is actually the bottom of an 8.6. Look at the chassis leg. Wow, just dancing on an 8.6 door.
What we'll do is we don't need all of this. Isn't bad.
Classic Irish scenario, I guess.
Cut through there
Up the side of a green shed.
and cut through
And
here.
it's just an 8.6.
No, no, this cut fast.
No, that's typical Irish fashion.
Yeah. The angle grinder is broken.
Great.
And you're lucky, I found one in the dump last week.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Or is this your first time testing it out? So Barry's other grinder is broken. He came up with a broken grinder. So now we have a little grinder that Aidan found in the dump. Thanks, Aidan. Take a bit longer, but yeah, we'll give it a go. The seat. Oh, it's crispy. Wow. 8A9 blue. Oh. Twin cam. Quality plug set up here. Very good. Love it. Wow, it's fully legal. Fully legal. We'll just blur out the sticker. So yeah, we're a bunch of fucking cowboys. Doesn't really get any more Irish than this. So we're just really...
You're welding spud into the car.
Yeah, we're welding fucking spud car into the other car.
It's gonna be awesome.
It is, it'll have a little bit of everything. She'll have a bit of an 8A9, 84 blue coupe in her lead. Dash bar! Wow. You just ripped an 8.6 in fucking half. What's she look like?
Hey, yeah.
Yeah,
GA handshake.
You can get it with you.
yeah, here.
Oh, I'll get it the right way.
And then look. Well done.
Here, look over here. Look this way.
Proud. It's a proud moment for everyone here.
Lovely stuff.